Hello viewers, welcome to Aslan's Closet. If you have 48 hours in Nuwara Eliya, that's how you should spend it. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. When in Nuwara Eliya, visiting the Gregory Lake is a must. The entrance fee for locals is 20 Sri Lankan rupees, but for foreigners, it's 300 Sri Lankan rupees per person. It's just 3 kilometers away from the city center and fully surrounded by mountains. The lake was constructed during the period of British Governor Sir William Gregory in 1873. Just look how beautiful this place is. No doubt it is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Nuwara Eliya. Would you agree? Let me take you on a walking tour of this awesome place now. As you can see, the view is breathtaking here and it's a nice place to unwind and relax. On the left, you'll see many different food stalls where you can get tea, coffee and some amazing snacks. The park around the lake has a walkway which is well maintained and this gives a lot of space to kids to run around. The park also offers many recreational activities such as speedboat, swan boat, jet skis, pony ride and many more. But if you're traveling with infant kids, then just a view visit is recommended. The next place that you should definitely visit in Nuwara Eliya is the Haggala Botanical Garden. It's the second largest botanical garden in Sri Lanka and is open all year round. I'm standing outside the botanical garden and as you can see there are many visitors washing their hands and sanitizing them because the management here makes sure that all visitors follow the COVID-19 SOPs before entering the garden. Did you know that there are over 10,000 species of flora planted here? And during the spring season in Nuwara Eliya, thousands of visitors come to see the blooms here. The number of annual visitors here is around 500,000. The garden is immaculately clean and it has a cool temperate climate because of an altitude of 5,400 feet above sea level. According to the legends, the history of Haggala Gardens dates back to the time of Ramayana, an epic love story of the East. Queen Sita, captured and brought to Sri Lanka, is said to have been hidden in this vicinity. The Haggala Gardens at that time was one of the pleasure gardens of King Ravan. Let me show you around the garden now so you can enjoy the varieties of flowers and trees, both local and foreign, that have been planted here. The magnificent rose garden, conifers, variety of pines and English oak are just a few examples of the diversity of plant life that is seen here. So enjoy! The third place in your to-do list should definitely be Victoria Park in Nuwara Eliya. The park was formally named in 1897 to commemorate Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. The park is open from 7 am to 6 pm every day and the entrance fee is 300 Sri Lankan rupees. If you're traveling with kids, it's an awesome place for them to run around and enjoy themselves as the place is immaculately clean and well maintained. Let's go towards the ticket counter now and purchase the tickets to enter the park. We have the tickets now, so let's go inside and check out the place. Wow, it's such a calm and peaceful place, and just love how clean the park is. The park is accessible to the public all year round, but I'd highly recommend you to pay a visit during the months of March to May and again in August to September when flowers are in full bloom in order to get the most out of your experience. It's not a bad idea to grab a pair of binoculars on your way there, as you're sure to find dozens of wonderful tropical birds perched on the trees around. You could spot the Sri Lanka skimiter babbler or the yellow eared bulbul and many more. So it's a spotting experience you mustn't miss. The park is an ideal place for morning or evening walks, and if you need a quiet green oasis to relax in the city of Nuwara Eliya, this is just the perfect location for you. Hope you enjoy the rest of the tour. The fourth place that you should definitely visit in Nuwara Eliya is the Damro Tea Factory. The drive from Nuwara Eliya to Damro Tea Factory is not far, but just look at the views. Aren't they absolutely breathtaking? It's quite a clear morning and we are loving our drive. After a drive up the steep mountain road, we have arrived at the Damro Tea Factory and there's plenty of parking space here. Okay, so here we are inside the factory now. There are two ways to enter the factory. The first one is through the stairs, and the second one is through the elevator. So, if you're traveling with kids, elevator is the best option for you to enter the factory as you can take the baby stroller inside. And you can enjoy the breathtaking views outside from these huge glass windows. Have a look at the different type of tea they've displayed inside the factory. Okay, so now we have a brilliant guide with us who's going to take us on a 15 minutes tour showing the different processes that the tea passes through at the plantation.
Synchronistic rolling machine, 200 kilograms, 30 minutes, break in and crush. After crush, tea leaves, put that machine roll breaker, that machine vibrating sheet machine. Separate the small and bigger pieces. After separate tea leaves in this table, 3 centimeter high, just keep it 2 hours. That process called fermentation. Fermentation means natural oxidation process, like internal enzyme in reaction with the natural air oxygen. Green color tea leaves change to brown color, become aroma and taste. No added chemicals, natural reaction. After 2 hours fermentation, tea leaves still wet. Dryer machine. After 2 hours fermentation tea, we put the dryer machine 125 Celsius, 20-minute dry. Destroy the germs and bacteria. We use natural firewood for the heat. Special rubber wood because long time burning, slow burn. Okay.